Well, hello everyone and welcome to this System.io versus StanStore comparison. Which one grows your online business faster? If you're an online entrepreneur, creator, or coach, you know the struggle of picking the right tools to grow your business. In this video, we'll be putting the two popular platforms head to head. That's why we'll be taking a look at the features, the pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, you have solid reasons to make your choice. We have the link to both services in the description so you can get a head start at the end of this video. And starting with the features, while both System.io and StanStore aim to help you sell online, they approach it from different angles, offering both commonalities and unique strengths. Now, when it comes to online course hosting, both platforms allow you to create, host, and sell online courses directly to your audience. They also have similarities with email marketing, where you can build an email list and send emails to your subscribers using both services. And when it comes to analytics, they also provide dashboards to track your sales, performance, and audience engagement. Now, here are the distinct features. System.io is an all-in-one marketing suite offering robust sales funnel building with various templates, a full-fledged website and blog builder, and a comprehensive marketing automation to streamline your lead generation and sales processes. It also includes an affiliate program management system. When it comes to StanStore, it's designed as a link in bio storefront. It's optimized for social media creators, offering a one-tap checkout experience directly from your bio link. It integrates with calendar booking systems for selling coaching calls and appointments, and also allows for recurring subscription product for memberships. Understanding the price structures is key as they reflect each platform's design philosophy. System.io offers highly competitive pricing, which includes a generous free plan, making it accessible for all stages of businesses. The free plan, which is absolutely free and no credit is required, will support you with up to 2,000 contacts, 3 sales funnels, and 1 blog. Then you have the startup plan, which costs about $17 per month, and with this you get up to 5,000 contacts, 10 sales funnels, and 5 blogs. You also have the webinar plan, which is available at $47 per month. And with this plan, you get up to 10,000 contacts, 50 sales funnels, and 10 evergreen webinars. The unlimited plan is priced at $97 per month, and everything is unlimited from contact, sales funnels, webinars, blogs, and courses. Now, here's our recommendation. For entrepreneurs who want a complete all-in-one marketing system for their business, the webinar plan at $47 per month offers incredible value. It significantly expands contact, funnels, and introduces evergreen webinars, which are perfect for automating sales presentations and growing your audience consistently. This plan provides ample room to scale without the higher cost of the unlimited plan, making it a powerful growth engine. Now, when it comes to StanStore pricing, it keeps its pricing simple with 2 main tiers, and this is designed for creators focused on direct sales from their social media presence. Now, StanStore does not charge transaction fees. Now, you have the creator plan, and this costs $29 per month. You have the mobile and desktop optimized store, calendar bookings, and unlimited course builder. You also have the creator pro plan, and this costs $99 per month. This has everything in the creator plan and also has order bumps and upsells and unlimited affiliate links. Now, here's our recommendation. For social media creators and influencers looking for a quick and easy way to monetize their audience directly from your bio link, the creator plan at $29 per month is the perfect starting point. It offers all essential features for selling digital products, courses, and booking appointments, thus making it highly effective for direct sales without complexity. As with any service, would like to let you know their strengths and weaknesses. Starting with System.io, with its bright side. It's an all-in-one solution, affordable pricing, robust funnel builder, email marketing automation, and affiliate program management. Then on the flip side, with the cons, with design customization, it may be less flexible in terms of design compared to dedicated website builders. The learning curve, the breadth of features can be overwhelming for absolute beginners. Interface simplicity. Now, while user-friendly, the interface might feel basic to some experienced marketers. And its focus. It's primarily for businesses building funnels and extensive email lists. So if you're not in this category, you might not get the best from it. And now to Stand Store. On the bright side, it's social media optimized, extremely easy to set up, no transaction fees, direct sales and bookings, and a mobile-first design. On the flip side, with the cons, its core marketing tools are limited as it lacks fully fledged website builder or deep email automation. There is no free plan as it requires paid subscription after the trial. Niche focus. It's best for creators but may not suit traditional e-commerce or large businesses. Less scalability for complex businesses. So it might not support highly intricate marketing strategies. In conclusion, if you're a social media driven creator or an influencer looking for a fast, simple, and direct way to monetize your audience with digital products and services from your bio link, StandStore is your champion. Its ease of use and zero transaction fees are hard to beat for this niche. However, if you're building a more comprehensive online business that requires powerful sales funnels, extensive email marketing automation, a full website, or even an affiliate program, then System.io is the clear winner for its all-in-one capabilities and scalability. Don't forget to check out the links to both System.io and StandStore in the description below to make your choice, and do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.